Alright, next on our unboxing we have the 4 recipe cards that Breville included. Unfortunately it's not a whole recipe book as other companies tend to do, but it's something at least. You can find a bunch more recipes online. And then the instruction manual, which was actually pretty great. It explains everything pretty well. Next we have all the different type of racks. Got this one. We got the enamel pan, and all of these feel pretty solid quality. We got the air frying basket, along with this wire pan or tray, the warranty, and then the pizza pan. They also sell a few different pizza pans separately, but that's for you to buy if you guys want that. Then we have the screen. It has 11 modes, 10 plus the air frying mode, with 3 different dials, one to choose the function, one for the temperature, and one for the time. This button is to defrost, this button is for air convention. Choose between your Fahrenheit and Celsius, and then the light inside the oven. As well as we have the crumb tray. That wasn't already put in, I put that in myself. And then on the inside we have magnets over here and over here that help the tray come out on its own when you open the oven, just so you don't have to touch it an extra time. So that's about it with the oven. The biggest thing about this oven is that it comes with an element IQ function, which basically knows what you're cooking based on what you tell it and knows how to properly cook it, which is supposed to evenly cook everything through and make it a lot better than it would in a regular oven. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.